This is Debbie. How can I help you?
Yes, ma'am. Is there an officer available that I could maybe speak with?
There's none in here right now. They're all out on the streets. Is there anything I can help you with?
So I'm at the Chevron right here off of 2025 Cherry Lane.
Okay.
And I'm a victim of identity theft, and like it's awful. It'll ruin your life. And however, I was in here getting money out of the ATM, and I noticed an elderly lady feeding thousands of dollars into the cryptocurrency machine, and the people on the phone sound like foreigners, and they have her like FaceTiming to make sure that she's putting the money in the machine. I just don't think she's aware that she's like what she's doing. It just seems so suspect. I mean, when I say thousands of dollars, she's probably got at least $5,000 to $10,000 on her.
And what kind of machine is she putting it into?
The cryptocurrency.
Okay.
And they're on the phone
there's
with her.
People on FaceTime with her?
Yes, and they're like, show us the screen. Now keep putting the hundreds in.
Oh,
show us the screen. And they're like,
still in there right now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
I actually got her a chair because she's getting tired of standing.
Can you go get her to stop?
I tried, and she said that she's trying to correct a mistake that somebody else made.
Oh,
so
God.
she knows it. Yeah, and I just don't. It's so bad.
Okay.
And
if you can go back in there and try to get her to stop, again, tell her that the police are coming because they want to come visit with her. What's a good phone number for you? Okay. What kind of shirt are you wearing, or what color is your clothing?
I have on the black shorts and like a biggie small shirt.
I'm sorry, what was the second thing you said? Black shorts and what else?
A biggie small shirt.
Okay. All right, yeah, if you'll stay in there near her and look out for the officers, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, I'll send them up there right now. Thank you for calling. And what is your name? I'll get them up there right now, okay?
Thank you.
Thanks, bye-bye.
Hello.
She's at $23,000 already.
Where's she at right now?
In the corner over there.
Hey, ma'am.
Yes.
Can I talk to you for a second?
Please, I have the bank on the phone.
Okay, let me talk to who you're talking to on the bank.
I'm in danger. This
Okay,
is
no,
Chase
you're not,
Bank.
ma'am.
This is Chase Bank.
Let me talk to them. Okay, stop putting money in there. Hello?
Just show me the screen, huh?
Yeah, who is this?
This is the security team. So Christine,
No, you're not. My name is Sergeant Stewart. I'm with the White Settlement Police Department. Okay, if you're really with the security team, you call my dispatch right now. You understand?
Okay, let me speak to the customer. Please.
No, you're not going to speak to the customer
let
anymore.
me speak to the customer.
No, you're not speaking to the customer anymore. If you want to speak with her, you call my dispatch first.
Christine?
You call my dispatch first. I'll give you that phone number.
Christine, Christine, just get the phone from him.
What do you have to say?
Hello, Christine. Okay, Christine, please ask him to move away, and let's just open the camera. Click on I'm done on the screen.
No, I'm not worried about a
Click on
camera.
I'm done.
I'm not worried about a camera because Chase Bank does not take Bitcoin.
Please allow me to speak to the customer.
No, you're not going to speak with the customer anymore. You have already spoken to the customer enough. Okay?
Please take the phone him, sir. You have no business to wait.
Yes, sir, I do. Because fraud and theft. Because no bank takes Bitcoin as payment. If you have a problem with this, you call the White Settlement Police Department at 24817. No, you're not going to speak to the customer again.
Let her decide.
No, I'm not going to
take the phone from him.
No.
Hearing you out, honey.
You were done speaking with this nice lady.
Ma'am, please take the phone from him. Take the phone from him. Sir, please allow the customer to speak. You don't have any right on the phone line.
I've seen him.
No, you don't need to speak with her.
Hello?
Then
Yes, ma'am. He said, now, just on the machine, ma'am, just you click on I'm done, then I will speak to him.
No, don't click I'm done. Do not click anything.
no, I won't.
No, she is not submitting any money to
I'm
you.
done, ma'am. Click on I'm done.
No, listen to me.
Finish.
Listen to me. She is not clicking on
You
anything.
listen to me.
Do you really want to fight this fight with me?
That's not your problem.
Yes, it is my problem because what you're doing is committing a crime. That makes it my problem. If you were in my presence right now, you would be in handcuffs going to jail.
Problem. What you are trying to do, Christine, just click on
You still haven't gotten her name right, you freaking moron. You don't even have her name right.
I'm sorry?
That's your money.
I know.
Catherine, I just got confused. Catherine, just please click on I'm done.
No, she is not going to click. She is not going to click it.